Hej, og velkommen til en quizguide på Carnelian Rising. Jeg kan lige vise jer her. Du skal have 33 thieving, 31 construction, 50 quest points og klaret Hassle Cult. Og du skal ikke bruge noget før lidt senere, hvor du skal klare sådan en ulv, og så skal du have noget med. Vi kommer til rewardsene senere. Men så lad os bare gå i gang. Okay, du starter quizzen ved at snakke til hende her Senia. Men der er voice acting, så jeg har lige taget en lyd på til stemme. Ja.
You're looking well, adventurer. You remember me? Yes. I thought you might remember me from your adventure in the catacombs under Lumbridge. Cyril Carnelian wants his son Philippe to become an adventurer like we are. He tried to hire me as a tutor for the boy. I refused on the grounds that I would never work for that windbag, so I recommended you instead. After all, you did such a good job in the Lumbridge catacombs. Yes, he remembers you. So, will you take the job? Excellent. Go and see Lord Carnelian for your instructions. I wish you all the best.
Så går man ind og snakker med Cyril Carnelian.
Good. That ratted senior woman took the job, poked around my cellar, then said she was too busy. The old bat is obviously losing her marbles. She kept forgetting to address me as sir. Henrietta and I have been concerned about the lad for a while now. We're not getting any younger, you know, and it will soon be Philippe's turn to represent the noble Carnelian family. Thing is, the lad just hasn't got the spark. He doesn't take the blindest bit of interest in anything beyond the next meal. Henrietta and I hired tutors to teach him natural philosophy, sports, art, everything. He just isn't. We thought Philippe would buck his ideas up if he had a girl to impress, so we invited a friend's daughter to stay. Sarsarilla's a good match for Philippe. Very good bloodline. But Philippe claims she's boring, and she's hardly happy with him either.
Okay. Bare klik den øverste, og så bagefter klik How do you expect me to create a quest?
These quests creep through cobweb, perform a death-defying stunt, sneak past guards, disable fiendish traps. Disguise yourself as a humble maid to get a jail guard drunk, slay some dragons, untie the damsel in distress, and return. The cellar wall collapsed recently, and we found a passage leading into a cave.
Så får du sådan en liste her. Så skal man sige, hvor kan jeg finde alle tingene, fordi ellers kan du ikke komme ud. Det skal man sige.
Crichton the butler knows what I expect. He will supervise your work. Go and meet him now.
Godt. Så skal du snakke med butleren.
Hello, mate. That's right. His Nibs told me the plan. If you're ready, let's get started.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, Let's start by going down to the cave to have a look around. Then we can plan the quest. What's up?
We spoke.
Fine.
Oh, yeah, this place is great for the quest. You can decorate the hole in the kitchen with a cobweb for the young master to creep through. His Nibs wants the brat to do some feat of agility. There's a ledge he could climb across. There's a nice junction here for guards to patrol. Ah, a goblin camp. Goblins get everywhere. The arches are supported by flimsy struts. You could set a trap here. Oh, sounds like there are creatures living in here. Smells like it too. Get someone to guard here and the kid can get him drunk. This area will be a grand place to put the damsel in distress, guarded by some drag. Oh, Cyril may have no idea what he's doing, but he gets things right occasionally. Law of averages, you know. Now, let's get to work. What's up?
Så har vi så fået en liste, hvor der står ting vi skal lære, det han skal gøre der her. Så lad os gå i gang. Okay. Først kan vi finde en bog herinde. Ved at søge location. En bog omkring familien. Det er ikke nødvendigt at læse, så vidt jeg ved. Det er bare noget andet. Okay. Lad os starte med at gå ind i grotten. Løbe. Ja, og sådan. Kan jeg ikke komme igennem der? Nej, det kan jeg ikke. Nå, super. Vi skal herhen. Godt, så går jeg herhen. Herinde er der et hus.
Og så?
Tag musen. Søg efter de her bones. Ja, de. Så finder du til nogle skulls. Nogle andre ben. Skulls and bones. Og så lad os lige de her ulve skal op på plads. Hvor skulle de hen? Lad os lige finde et sted. Jeg er jo heller ikke klar den før, så... Her, hende. Skal udvide. Yes, build. Så. Så når man er på ryggerne, så er det tilbage. Op. Ind i det der sted. Lige før grunden. Okay, nu kommer jeg til at klikke. Løb. Okay. Herinde. Okay. Herinde skal du tage edderkop. Yes. Søg den her barrel of junk. Så forstrækker jeg den her. Du skal søge i typen. Nej, vent, først skal vi lige tage på. Tag 7. Bare tag alle af dem. Mens finder jeg lige det næste her. Vi skal lige vente på det kommer. Kom så. Okay, hvor mange har jeg? Okay, man kan blive ved med at tage. Du skal kun bruge 7. Det er lige meget, den beholder jeg. Her på bordet kan vi lige tage fjeren og ølglasset. Og i skabet tager vi de her ting. Sådan. Godt. Så er det Claus, vi mangler. Jeg dropper lige hurtigt de her buckets. Så. Ham skal vi overtale til at være sådan en drunken fyr.
I'll make a change from slaving this kitchen, I suppose. What do you want from me?
Drunken jailer.
Hey, I can get drunk any time I like. I might even be drunk now. If you want my help, bring me some of Settle's fortified wine. Since you've asked so nicely, I will drink the wine as a personal favour to you. See you in the cave.
Super. Så var han derinde. Okay. Jeg deler det her op til en part 2 nu, fordi hvis den er lidt lang. Og så er jeg klar til næste gang. Vi ses.